This is Corinne, and Colton's around here too. And this is our farm.
And this is our pig that's gonna chase me.
We're just gonna show you guys our sheep and our pet pig Petunia. This is Petunia.
That's mine.
She'll eat just about anything.
Yeah. Really,
Get out of there, Colton.
She'll even eat the cat if you give it to her.
I want one, Doctor. Here, I want one.
Watch the camera, Trent. Be photogenic.
And she'll even try and eat the tail.
Ride him.
Okay, come lift me up again.
This is how you ride a pet pig. Wave, Chris.
Lean back a little bit and get your balance. Hang on. Hang on to your knees. Hang on to your knees tight.
That was how you ride a pig.
Okay.
So,
Come this way.
They love to eat grain. Watch them chase her for the grain.
Whoa!
Oh, good. In the spring, they'll have baby lambs. Some of them have 2. And in the spring, they also have to have their wool cut off because they have really thick wool. Oh, come on, Mary had a little lamb. Go. Oh, I think she's getting trampled over there. Come back here, Corinne. Okay, give them some. And our pig Petunia, she sleeps with the sheep. I think she thinks they're pigs too. Can you hear them?